Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel, a place where you can find easy and healthy recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me once again. And for those who are new here, I hope you learn and enjoy in this video and subscribe at the end of the video. Today I prefer another easy healthy recipe, pan-fried pork fritters. Write in the comment your name and country to be able to thank you and greet you at the end of the video. To start with, we need to whisk or beat 3 eggs. Humans and their hominid relatives have consumed eggs for millions of years. Eggs are incredibly nutritious. Cholesterol? Despite being high in cholesterol, eggs don't adversely affect blood cholesterol. Heart health? Eggs raise HDL, the good cholesterol, and are linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Eye health? Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants beneficial for eye health. Add 20 grams of minced pork or minced beef. Have a red bell pepper, then cut. Slice, remove the seeds, and cut into cubes. The bell pepper is the fruit of plants in the Grossum group of the species Capsicum annuum. Cultivars of the plant produce fruits in different colors, including red, yellow, orange, green, white, chocolate, candy cane striped, and purple. Red bell peppers are highly nutritious and offer several health benefits. Excellent source of vitamins A and C. High in antioxidants and phytonutrients. Enhance natural detoxification. Provide fiber, iron, and folate. May help lower the risk of cancer. Good for cardiovascular health. One piece of small red onion cut into cubes. Red onions are cultivars of the onion and have purplish red skin and white flesh tinged with red. They are most commonly used in cooking, but the skin has also been used as a dye. Red onions are packed with quercetin, which provides wide-ranging health benefits. Allicin in onions fights regenerative diseases and fungi. Chromium makes onions a great food to tackle insulin resistance. Red onions have a low GI rating, which is associated with additional health benefits. Red onions are rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful plant pigments that may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, and diabetes. Add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You can chop or minced, whichever you preferred. Garlic is a species of bulbous flowering plant in the genus Allium. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, chive, Welsh onion, and Chinese. Garlic has several health benefits, including fighting all types of infections, fungal, bacterial, parasitic, and viral, regulating blood sugar, lowering blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, improving immunity. For taste and flavors, we need a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1/2 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon parsley, and then mix well. This minced pork fritters is full of flavor. These homemade pork patties are savory and rich. They're a meat lover's favorite. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment what would you like to see next. In a heated pan, put a spoonful of the complete ingredients, separating each spoonful. Depend on how big your pan is. With the pan I am using, I can only put 4 pieces. This will take 2 minutes or until golden brown. Flip it up, then do the same with the other side. In the descriptions, you can find some kitchenware and kitchen utensils, which can be avail or order. Maybe it would interesting for you. Or this, maybe you're long looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. If you want to be sure of exactly what has gone into your mince, then choose a whole piece of pork and ask your butcher to mince it for you. Most butchers will be happy to do this. Try mixing a fattier cut such as belly with a leaner piece from the leg or shoulder. Minced pork can be substituted for minced beef or lamb, or mixed with them for a different flavor. Have a happy, healthy meal.